guys, this is Shazia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to fix the dressing table and have it set over this side over here.
But actually we don't know.
Well, at the moment it's going to go there. Let's see if it fits there. And then if we need to move around the room, once obviously the full room is done, I will definitely show it to you guys. But at the moment, this is the best place for this because I did try and move it over here. That I'll have the dressing table here, but it gets too dark because this is long and the dressing table is going to be short, so it overshadows the dressing table. So yes, let's first fix it and then we'll see where it goes. But yes, this is from IKEA. It's the MALM collection. This also is the MALM collection, and I really love the texture of these drawers. They got a gloss finish. With the dressing table, good thing is it comes with a glass top. The glass top will help if for any spillage, like obviously we're going to use it for makeup, foundation and stuff like that. So if there's any fallouts or anything, you can wipe clean it. So let's get started. First of all, let's see if all the pieces are in here. It's quite a long one. I need all the room. Okay, so this was more heavier than this drawer.
Yeah, because it's all in one.
Everything is in here. Okay, looks like it's the back side. I have to even fix the, what are they called, the stands to it, the feet.
Obviously.
Yeah. Okay, so it's a bit weird because I think it's this big, but it's got the, wait, we didn't see the cut there. I thought it was the one.
I have no idea.
Maybe the bottom isn't and the top is, I don't know. Oh, this is very light. Okay. Okay, I don't know where this goes, but I hope you picked the right one. There it says MALM. This is interesting. I like this. You can use this. Recycling.
Oh, because remember it has a sliding drawer thingy in it.
Yes, it does.
That's why it's going to have some like...
Okay, maybe it's two separate ones. We'll see. The book is here. As we know here. Here. Here's the book. Yeah, okay. Oh, these are the sides. So this is how high it's going to be high. This is how high it's going to be. Well, it's going to be this side because the thingy's there.
Yeah.
It's going to be like this. Yes, to fix the dressing table, I had to get rid of my big drawer over here. So I have enough space. These are not very heavy. I thought these were going to be very heavy because the box was quite heavy. So anyway, as you can see, it's the MALM collection. And that's how it's supposed to look. It's quite simple dressing table. But yeah, it's quite long and so it would need space.
That's why I think we should put the bed the other way.
So let me fix it first and then you know what, I'm going to see. I really like that section over there, so the dressing table can go there. Although I did like this here the first. But then I thought, you know what, that would look nice here. But this does not look nice here because it overshadows, as I mentioned to you before, the dressing table. So maybe the dressing table can go there. Yeah. Sorry, not the dressing table, the drawer.
Yeah, we'll see when it's all done, innit?
Yeah. Well, that's in my mind. But even the dressing table can go there. So, yeah. Okay, first of all let's see if all the parts are in here. So guys, I've checked all the pieces are here. So I'm going to start off with the first part of this, which is putting these in the main desktop. So let's get started with the fitting of this. So we are serious in business here, so that is done. Now let's see what's the next part. So the next part is to fit that drawer in there. Put this on the side here.
I want both of them.
This one in now.
This is gonna be quick.
Inshallah. I hope so, because I want to rest. I want to watch a movie or something. I have not been able to do one.
What the heck did you do yesterday?
Yeah,
Broski
I went to
goes
watch my movie, didn't I? So I had a rest day.
Now you're
the big ones.
back to work.
353.
What do those things do at closing?
That's for your drawer. Slide in and slide out.
Oh yeah. Forgot that.
Okay, so now it's, as you can see, it needs tightening.
Yeah.
These things are gonna do. So I need 4 of these. The slow job.
I don't know what this angle's gonna do. This is a face of determination. Nothing can stop her.
Stop it, Imaan.
Except for me. Every time I put the camera down, she plans to lock me in the basement. Bob the Builder.
Nearly finished.
This was easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Can't say that quickly.
Okay, touch wood, hopefully it is. What would you do if I just ripped the little book? She would beat me up. Please help me. Where is this sliding door thing? Is it there?
Wait.
Wait. Have patience.
Okay.
Look at this powerful being.
Okay, just a powerful link. Okay, so
I could help you.
let me just see which side goes where. So when we're gonna flick it over.
It's gonna be this side's in the back because that's the
That's
front
gotta be the
thingy.
back. That's gotta be at the back.
Oh, never mind. Don't listen to me ever.
Put the mirror. You can clean the mirror in the morning. No fingerprints, but right to you. Bismillah. Here we are.
Look at her, she's on a roll. Nothing can stop her. Not even me. Well done, that was amazing. That was absolutely just powerful. What if you finished fixing all of this, right, and the next day you come back and it's all like unpacked again because I want you to do it again?
You can do it yourself. Over. Wait, let me.
Oh, go! This is glass. This is shisha. What is this? Shisha. Yes, please be careful right now, man. Please. We should have a theme song for you. Yeah, like, I don't know. Go, 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 Shazzy. Go, 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 Shazzy. Go, 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 Shazzy. Go, 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 Shazzy. This is Shazia. Yeah, and she likes to Build. Yeah. What is she doing?
Building.
She is building. Yeah, yeah, go Shazzy. Yeah, and that was so crap. I'm firing myself. This is actually not a house. This is actually, none of us bought any of this. We came into this random house, saw that they had some furniture pieces that were not made, and we just decided to help them out. Isn't that correct?
Really, I'll do this for somebody else, never.
But you are doing it for somebody else. You're doing it for me.
It's for me as well. Now you're my daughter, and you're not going to let me use the dressing table. You are, aren't you?
I mean, yeah.
There you go then.
Wait, don't you have your own dressing table?
Look.
She's had her own dressing table
Look,
for
the new one
years.
is a new one, though. You know when you're going to have all your goodies out.
Yeah, and arguably yours is more like
I like this. I
decorative.
just don't like this one. So yes guys, we have finished making the dressing table. As you can see, it's all done. This is kind of a hidden one, so it's inside there. But yeah, we're happy with this. Now Imaan's just going to decide where she wants this, and once she's decided and we've tidied the room up neatly,
Tomorrow
and
we'll show
in the
everyone.
morning we will show you.
Actually, we'll have to show them once everything's
Once
done, and I've
everything
got
is
my
ready.
chair as
Yeah,
well
yeah.
and everything.
Well, the chair can be later, but if the chair comes as well in time, we'll show you the look of the whole room. Here's the final look of the room. So there's the dressing table, and we have put it on this side opposite the bed, and this mirror is also from IKEA. You can put this long ways along horizontal way, the way we put it, because that's the way on the showroom it was, and we really liked it. Combination of the room is a little bit of black and white. We bought the bed beforehand and we loved the black bed, so we went for the black bed. But then obviously with the drawers we went with white. Here's the other one I fixed. Imaan has lovely setted it all up nicely with her little things at the top and her favourite books. And she's just putting her coats and all that. Obviously when she goes uni, she just needs to hurry up and get ready. And a few of her favourite perfumes. A few more books over there. A laptop. A few more books. And here is the bookshelf we got from Argos. They had a white option, but we decided on the black because the black looked really lovely. So we just went for this, go in with the room. If not, then as long as we like it. But yeah, we're happy with that. Happy with how the room turned out. It's a very small room, so big drawers would have not done good here. If I bought the big long wardrobes for her clothes, so she normally folds her stuff, so this chest drawer was perfect for her. And obviously really like it. She loves the room now the way it is.